Good morning and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get the week started. Today's tip, recognizing a worn-out drive belt. For those of you that don't know, the drive belt or serpentine belt is a long winding belt that sends power to the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning system. The belt needs to be in good condition to effectively power all the systems in your vehicle. Over time, belts can begin to peel, crack, slip, and fray. Pay attention to squealing noises, general visual wear of the belt, and poor performance from either your power steering or your air conditioning system, as this may mean your belt needs to be replaced. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda roadside safety kit as well as the first aid kit. Question: Honda became the first Japanese manufacturer to race in what iconic motorcycle race? Here's a hint, it takes place on an island between Ireland and Great Britain. Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.